Good morning, you guys. Good morning. How are you guys doing? Happy Friday. Happy Friday, you guys. So, I have my first order. Go ahead. $14 shopping order, and I'm only shopping for 4 items. So, let's go shop. All right, let's go to G12. G12 5 no, G12 7 actually 7 5. All right, we need this one. Let's scan it. Right, next let's go to Z7. We need this one. Let's scan it. All right, next they want this one, but it's only one and they want two of them. So I'm gonna put in it's only one and see what's come next. So I was able to only get one. So let's go to get my last item. Going to 820. 820, section 10, all the way down. Alright, they want this one, let's scan it. And they want two of this. So they just gave me a new location to go get another one of this. So let's go to this new location, 826. There they are. Alright. Let's scan it and we are done. Let's go at checkout. Now go at checkout. At my Walmart, we have our own register for only Walmart's people. So when we get here, you need to scan this one, and it's gonna tell you good to go, and you just start packing your stuff. Yo, it's 8 in the morning and I am hot already. Today's going to be a very hot day. Whew, super hot. So anyway, guys, let's go drop it off. We have 6 minutes. 6 minutes to go drop it off. Let's go. The customer just texted me that don't ring the doorbell. I'm gonna be waiting for you on the door. So almost there. We almost there. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Just received my second order, y'all. $22 actually. $22. It's a shopping order. And we're going to shop for 17 items. Let's go shop for this 17 items. It's going 1.8 miles. Done shopping. Everything is done. Now let's go check out. 9:40 right now. It's 9:40, you guys. I just received another order. $15 for one drop off, and it's a curbside order. And this is what I don't like now. It's been like 3 days now. They changed this. I don't know if it's only here. Like, they just give me 9:40, right? And my pickup time is 10:15. You see how they pushed back my the pickup time? So I'm about to sit here like 35 minutes, y'all. 35 minutes just waiting for the pickup time. I don't get it. It's been now 3 days they changed that, the pickup time. That's too bad. That's a waste of time, y'all. Waste of time. I'm about to sit here for 30 minutes waiting to start my order. Wow. I don't like this change. I do not like this change, y'all, because it's wasting our time. And time is money. Well, I have no choice than to wait because it's slow over here. It's slow. So if I don't take in, then what am I gonna do? So yo, it's 10:15. I just woke up from my nap because I took a nap waiting for that order. And tell me why I signed in and the order is still packing up after they had me waiting for 35 minutes. Yo, it sure is still packing up. So I don't think this order is real. They're going to cancel it because there is no way after 35 minutes waiting and they're still packing up. I think it's going to get canceled. Let's just wait. Yo, they haven't canceled the order, but I'm about to cancel it by myself. They haven't canceled it, but I'm about to cancel it because right now it's 10:25, yo. It's about to be an hour. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know why I even waited for this order this long. And it's still showing they're still packing up. So I'm about to cancel it right now because it's about to be 10:30 and they're about to drop another curbside order. So I don't want to miss that chance. So let's go cancel this order right now. That's crazy. Waiting for an order for almost an hour and it's not even big order. It's $15. Oh my god. I don't know what have come to me, but yeah, I'm just going to Walmart to get something and still waiting for order. Ooh, I received an order. Let me go check. Yo, the order that I just got is the same order that they're trying to give me back. And I declined right away. I declined. What a waste of time. What a waste of time. It's 10:53 right now, 10:53, and I just received an order. $18 going 5 miles and 3 drop off, and my pickup time is 11:05. So now this order makes sense. The pickup time is a normal pickup time, so now it makes sense. So let's wait for it. All right, you guys, I already delivered my 2 stops, so this is my last drop off here. Let's go drop it off. Yo, I only have 2 more hours to work. Only 2 more hours. So I don't know if I'm gonna get anything within those 2 hours. I'm not working the whole day today because tomorrow I am going out of town, so I'm going home early so I can start getting ready for tomorrow. So let's wait for getting another order. If we don't, then it's gonna be it because it's slow, y'all. It's slow here. Yo, I am home already. I am home. The day was super, I would say bad because I worked almost 5 hours. Almost 5 hours, yo, and oh, it's making noise. Almost 5 hours, and I made $55. $55. Anyway, if you love watching this kind of content, please go and subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.